do not overpay. Everybody makes the list about 5 best cars that you can buy in Canada or in the USA, under 15k, under 20k, under 30k, and etc. But nobody made the list that you should avoid to buy. You should not buy, what you should never buy in Canada. So this is this list.
What is this?
These 5 cars looks cheap, and that's the thing. The price for the car will be the cheapest things that you pay for them. They will cost you more than you saved. 2 of them have the transmission that Nissan and Ford got sued over and over here in Canada. Stay to number 1. I see this car every week on sale over and over again, and you will be surprised. This one is the worst.
This is the worst!
I'm Jim, a licensed car consultant in Vancouver. Everything in this video comes from class action settlements and regulators, not from the forums. It's also based on my own experience. So number 5, bargain European luxury. Somebody shows me a BMW or Mercedes 2014 and asks, is it a good deal? Because price is really nice and affordable. It's not a good deal, and that's the thing. The price is real, and that's the problem. These cars were built to cost around $70,000, and they still bill you like it. Parts cost 2-3 times more. All the jobs need dealer software. Open repair can cost more than the whole car. And at this price, you'll be like fourth owner, and first 3 owners just keep the maintenance. I'm not saying never.
No! God!
If you can comfortably put $3,000 to $5,000,
I'm really rich.
just believe me, you don't need this car, whatever the sticker says. With a cheap German car, the purchase price is the cheapest part. Number 4, Kia and Hyundai with Theta 2 engine. This is the one of the list with the way out, so listen closely.
Now listen to me very carefully.
Roughly 2011 to 2019, Sonata, Santa Fe Sport, some Tucsons, Kia Optima, Sorento, Sportage. The engine has a bearing inside that wears out, so throw the metal into the oil and can seize the whole engine. Some of them caught fire. They were recalls, they were class actions here in Canada and in States. Here is the way out. The manufacturers made the software update that listened for that bearing wearing out. If that update was done, the car gets extended engine coverage, and that coverage follows the car, not the owner. So this is not never buy one, this is the check win first. Take the win to the Hyundai or Kia dealer and ask 2 questions. Is the knock sensor update done? Does engine coverage applies to this win? Both answers on paper. And the car can be with no paper, no deal. Walk away.
This is the most piece of shit Hyundai you can buy.
This one is not a no. It's not until you check the weight. Number 3, fluid and rebuilt cars. In BC, every car has a status: normal, rebuilt, salvage, or alter. It's right there on the Carfax, on the first page.
America first.
A rebuilt car can be fine if the work was done well.
What is your gender? My gender. I'm a mechanic.
The trap is people sell them like nothing happened. Fluid cars are worse because water are not always shows up on the title. Think about it 2021 when Fraser Valley flooded. Thousands of cars were written off. Some of them come back into the market, looks really beautiful. But you know what happened, right? Water does not kill a car immediately. It kills 6 months later, one connector at a time. First the windows, then the sensors, and then the computer. Looks in the trunk under the spare tire. Look for a water line. Look for a silt on the seatbelt. Just smell it.
Smell it.
Okay.
Smell it. Enjoy.
And if the price makes no sense, there is always a reason. Nobody gives away $3,000 or $4,000 just by accident. Just I didn't know the market. I just want to sell it faster. This is my uncle car or my grandpa car. I just want to get rid of it. He doesn't want to drive it anymore. It's never happened. Water does not kill a car today. It will kill it in 6 months or in a year, one wire at a time.
I will look for you. I will find you. And I will kill you.
Number 2, Nissan with the CVT, Sentra, Altima, Corsa, roughly 2012 to 2017. It's the transmission. Nissan got taken to court in Canada over it. They settled. The Automobile Protection Association got around 2,400 complaints from the owners.
How many of you are there?
On the worst years, they say more than half of this transmission fail. They tend to fail between 100 and 150,000 kilometers, which exactly where these cars are today.
Oh, really?
Now here's the part that matters in 2026 and nobody will tell you that. The settlement extended the transmission warranty. 7 years or 140,000 kilometers. So do the math, that run out around 2024. Every single one of these cars right now is out of coverage. So if it fails, it's your money.
Where's my money, bitch? Bitch, where's my money?
$4,000 to $7,500. And if the seller says that transmission was replaced, ask for the invoice, because the new one is the same. The warranty that's supposed to protect you has already expired on every single car. And finally, number 1, Ford Fiesta and Focus with the PowerShift.
Focus. Focus. Focus.
Ford Focus 2012 to 2016 and Fiesta 2011 to 2016. About 160,000 of them sold in Canada. Ford put in the transmission a PowerShift, and it's basically a robot clutch. And it's shudders, it's jerks, it hesitates when you pull into traffic. This went to a Canada-wide class action. It was settled. Transport Canada opened its own investigation. And the lawyer who ran the investigation said something that you should hear.
Now listen closely.
Replacing the clutch only fixes it for a while. Think about that. The repair does not cure the car, it buys you a time. Today you can buy this car for $6,000 or up to $9,000, and it looks like the best deal of the year.
We have a deal.
But basically you're just buying the bomb, and the repair is cost about $3,000 to $5,000.
Leave it on the doorstep and get the hell out of here.
And it can come back. If you love Focus, buy the one with the regular automatic transmission or the manual. They are fine. But if the ads says 2012 to 2016, ask from seller about which transmission in there, or ask for the VIN and just check it. You don't want to go across old city to look the PowerShift.
Please don't do this.
Ford fixed these cars over and over, but the repair does not cure the car. It just delays it. What to buy instead? I made a video about 5 cars under $15,000 that you can buy in Canada right now. Link in the description. If you found the car and you're not sure is it a good deal, just send me the link of the listing or send me the VIN, and I will tell you is it a good deal or no. No strings, I will ask for nothing. It's free and there is nothing attached to it. New video every week. I'm Jim. Do not overpay.
Sarap pagka-ride. Okay, thank you.